Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the corrupt PSD. Copy the file to a safe working folder so the original stays untouched. Once done, check for companion files like TMP, autosave, or previous versions in Creative Cloud or backup drives. Make sure Photoshop is updated and note the file size and timestamp. That information helps decide recovery method. You'll try non-destructive tests first, so have a backup ready. Now launch Photoshop, but do not open the corrupt file yet. Prepare the recovery steps. You'll attempt targeted fixes next. First, choose File Open as Photoshop RAW, set channels to 4 and a conservative width. This can reveal recoverable pixel data. If that fails, create a new PSD and attempt to place or drag the corrupt file. Sometimes layer merge reads partial data. If file headers look intact but tail data is bad, open a hex editor and compare with a healthy PSD header. Carefully remove or truncate trailing corrupted bytes, then retry opening. Make incremental copies as you test. You finish by consolidating recovered content. Save as a new PSD and export layered TIFF or flattened copies to preserve work. Once stable, recreate missing effects and document which layers were lost. If recovery failed, run a dedicated file repair tool or restore from Creative Cloud version history. Sometimes older Photoshop releases open files newer versions cannot. If nothing works, contact Adobe support with file samples. One troubleshooting tip. If Photoshop hangs, try opening on another machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.